Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the JBL Flip 4. It is a waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker and the color is black. It is also available in blue and camouflage and gray and red. And of course, special edition trio or teal and white. But I like black, so I bought black. It is a wirelessly connect up to two smartphones or tablets to the speaker and take turns playing impressive stereo sound. Built-in 3000 milliampere hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery supports up to 12 hours of playtime. IPX7 waterproof means no more worrying about rain or spills. You can even submerge Flip 4 in water. The JBL Connect Plus allows you to link more than 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers together to amplify the party. Dual external passive radiators demonstrate just how powerful your speaker is. And it's right, it is really nice sound. JBL Flip 4 is the next generation in the Flip series. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers surprisingly powerful stereo sound. That compact speaker is powered by a 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery that offers 12 hours of continuous high-quality audio playtime. Sporting, durable, waterproof fabric materials that are available in 6 vibrant colors. The Flip 4 is the all-purpose, all-weather companion that takes the party everywhere. It also features a built-in noise and echo cancelling speakerphone for crystal clear conference calls and JBL Connect Plus technology that can wirelessly link more than 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers together to amplify the listening experience. With a simple button press, you can activate and talk to Siri or Google Now from the JBL Flip 4. It is a wireless Bluetooth streaming thing, 12 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof, JBL Connect Plus on board, speakerphone, voice assistant integration, lifestyle material, and JBL bass radiator. For more than 60 years, the JBL brand has delivered products that exemplify the technology and expertise gained through our leadership in professional sound reproduction. The JBL name has been synonymous with the precise, natural, articulated sound found in many of the world's most prodigious locations, including clubs, cinemas, and recording studios, and live music reinforcement in venues ranging from concert halls to outdoor stadiums. They have taken that expertise and applied it to exciting audio products for home, car, portable media player, boat, computers, and gaming system. Whatever and wherever, the JBL brand is the one that audio consumers trust because it's the brand audio professionals rely on. If great sound matters, there is a JBL solution with a nice name on it. And this is right, you have a really good sound here, and it's mobile, and it's waterproof, and it is not so expensive for what it will deliver to you. JBL signature sound, 12 hours playtime, IPX7 waterproof, JBL bass radiator. The bass is really nice, really, really nice. Bluetooth wireless streaming, voice assistant integration, noise and echo cancelling speakerphone, and JBL Connect Plus. And this is awesome because the design is beautiful. The Flip 4 is really nice designed, and the sound is awesome too. And you can go swimming with this waterproof portable Bluetooth speakers. I like it really much, and so I have to say, only thing you have to do is switch on the JBL Flip 4, connect it to your smartphone. For example, you can connect it to other Bluetooth enabled devices too, and then have fun with it. All the sounds will transfer from your smartphone, except for example, to this waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.